Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about sketching on canvas. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Today you'll need your canvas, a pencil and eraser, a ruler, and some carbon tracing paper. Start by marking 1-inch increments across the width of your canvas. Do this on the top and the bottom so that you can measure twice and only have to draw the line once and it'll be correct. Create a line by connecting 2 points at the top and bottom to create the vertical lines across your canvas. Let's go ahead and repeat this process. Going from the top to the bottom of your canvas, mark 1-inch intervals on either side to create accurate lines. Connect 2 points just as you did before across your canvas to create a 1-inch grid. So you may be asking yourself, why would I want to create a grid like this? A grid can help you organize shapes in a space as you draw. It will also help you with perspective. So let's say you feel like you quote-unquote can't draw. You can utilize carbon paper just like this. There's going to be a shiny side and a dull side. I want you to put the shiny side facing your canvas. In order to keep the carbon paper in place, you can use a little bit of Scotch tape on the back of your canvas. This will help it so it doesn't slide around. So now I've grabbed a picture that I've printed out. You could use any picture that you want, but I've chosen this Christmassy picture of a gingerbread display that's a streetcar. Pretty cool looking, huh? So I'm going to tape that in place so it doesn't wiggle around either. I'm going to use a regular old pencil and just start tracing the things that I want to incorporate into the painting. If you wanted to leave something out, don't trace it. But basically everything that you trace is now getting transferred via the carbon paper to the canvas. So you'll watch me for a little bit here as I sketch out what some of the things that I want to show you as an example, and we'll see what happens in just a moment. Okay, so I didn't elect to trace everything or draw everything out, but you can see already that the image is easily being transferred onto the canvas. So that's it. That's 2 ways to properly sketch on canvas. Either way are perfectly acceptable. You don't need the grid if you're going to be using the carbon paper, but the grid is helpful if you're going to be sketching freehand. Thanks for watching. Do you have any questions? Let us know in the comments below. And please visit our website, freeartsacademy.com.